How to turn off your web and app activities. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Google Tutorial Video. In this video I am going to show how to turn off your web and app activities. And if this video helps you, please share, like and subscribe. Open Google. Click your profile icon in your top right corner. Click Manage your Google account. Click Data and Privacy. Scroll down and click Web and App Activity. Click the Turn Off button. You have get to options and click the first option, Turn Off. Now your activity cannot be deleted, but it's turned off. I hope if this video helps you. If you can get more tech information videos, visit my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.